What is the Big Bang? Interesting facts about the origin of the universe. In this video you will learn some interesting facts about the origin of the universe. Get ready to learn various curiosities about this theory. The theory of the Big Bang was created by Georges Lemaitre. This theory says that the universe was just a point a long time ago that expanded to reach its current dimensions and continues to expand. Astronomer Edwin Hubble observed that other galaxies were moving away from ours, and those farther away were moving at greater speeds. This discovery supported Georges Lemaitre's theory because it implies that at some point all these structures were closer together. If everything started as a point, how were the structures formed as we know them? At first, there was only a mixture of tiny particles, energy, and light. With the expansion, the temperature decreased, allowing these particles to group together and form atoms. Initially, the atomic nucleus of these particles was too hot, so they couldn't capture electrons and form complete atoms. It took about 380,000 years for the first complete atoms to emerge. Thus began an era called nucleosynthesis, in which protons and neutrinos collide and give rise to the first elements, hydrogen, helium, and traces of beryllium and lithium. After the temperature decreased and electrons grouped into atoms, there were not as many free electrons to form a fog, so light could travel greater distances. Do you know what the oldest light in the universe is? The light produced by these first atoms can still be detected. However, the absorption effect of hydrogen atoms caused the universe to remain dark for over 200 million years. During this period, there were no stars. And how did the first stars arise? Groups of gas clouds attracted matter. The cores of these groups began to heat up with increased compression and density. The first stars were about 30 to 300 times larger than our Sun, and their brightness was millions of times greater. The ultraviolet light emitted by these first stars allowed the ionization of hydrogen atoms into protons and neutrinos, reducing the amount of dispersed gas in the universe. Thanks to this reionization, light can travel greater distances. And what exactly is reionization? This process separates atoms into protons and neutrinos. In the meantime, galaxies collided and clustered. Stars and galaxies formed from successive groupings of particles and atoms. Comets, planets, black holes, and asteroids formed with the life and death cycle of stars. Have you ever wondered how old the universe is? The universe is 13.8 billion years old. During the early universe, there was cosmic expansion at a speed faster than light for a fraction of a second. The Big Bang originated after cosmic expansion, when the energy of expansion was transferred to light and matter. It is estimated that in the second after the Big Bang, the temperature was around 10 trillion degrees Celsius. In summary, the process of the Big Bang begins with a point undergoing significant inflation. After this process, the first lights emerge, followed by an era of darkness due to the fog of mainly hydrogen atoms. The first stars emit ultraviolet light that reionizes the atoms of the fog into protons and neutrinos, which regroup to form cosmic structures. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to receive more content like this. And tell me in the comments, did you already know any of these curious facts?